When you do your best, you can.
Cut the music up.
When you do your best, yeah, that's all you can do. You, me, and anybody else. They always so talk.
Running away from where I'm from. Never can stay with no one. Loving you almost feels like something when no one's around me. You lost and found me. I was surrounded.
We have a bombshell sponsor. I would like to thank Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. So guys, normally I come on and the unit is already done, but I wanted to do the install with you guys. And that is because this one is a little bit different. So guys, this wig is small head friendly. Y'all know that that's something that I'm always talking about. So what I love about this unit is that it is adjustable. So what you guys see me doing is just adjusting the straps that come with the unit. And so basically all you have to do is pull the elastic on each side, which is what I'm doing now. Let me get this one pulled. And when you do that, it literally will fit on your head. This unit is one size fits all. Now, because I have a tiny, tiny little head, I have to make mine extremely tight. And then, after you get it as tight as you want it, you have these two clear straps. You could either tie yours. What I think I'm gonna do is just leave mine loose. But I ain't gonna lie, girl, I like my wigs to be tight, super tight. All right, ooh, yes, girl. It's nice and snug, just how I like it. Just to let you know, this is a 360 lace unit. Y'all, it is so pretty. So the name of this unit is Water Wave Invisible Strap Snug Fit. And so this is a 360 transparent lace frontal wig. It does have bleached knots. It is pre-cut and it is gorgeous. Now guys, this is 22 inches and it is so pretty. I do love the fact that there is like a lot of parting space on the unit. I'm gonna go over just a little bit deeper with the part. Yeah, I think I wanna do some, oh, y'all look. It looks so natural. You cannot tell me that this does not look like my real scalp. I love it. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty.
So get on insecurity. I know this is bad, but please put a leash on me anyway. Who needs self-esteem anyway? I hate myself to make you stay. Push me away, I'll be running here.
So y'all, I'm almost done with the unit. So guys, this is water and conditioner. And then of course I added a little bit of gel just to kind of get it a little bit more slick. Y'all, this is a super easy unit to put on. I love how natural it looks. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. And then I love how flat I can get it as well. So what I'm gonna do here, because I just kind of want it to be consistent all the way around in terms of just making sure that it's even. I don't want too much volume on one side and not enough on the other, you know? So I'm just gonna go in and flatten the top out. All right, girls, so guys, this is 22 inches. I just wanted to stand up really quick and show you. So it does come past my waistline, guys. I am 5'3". So although it says 22 inches, I'm pretty confident that they gave me more.
For as long as you're willing, girl, want you to know that I'm willing to. And where you want me to go, girl, I'll be willing to go there for you. If you want me to take my time, I'll be willing to spend the night. All you gotta say is please stay, baby. I'll be staying as long as you're staying. More and more. Oh, let me cater to you, babe. Oh, baby, this is your day. Do anything for my baby.
This is the final look. So I wanted to let the hair dry as much as possible. So guys, it is probably 90% dry. I'm just gonna add some finishing touches. You guys know that I absolutely love to use the Pantene misting spray. So this is just like a conditioning mist. This is kind of how I want to finish my unit off. Y'all, look at that. Look how much body it has. And y'all, this unit is so full. That's another thing that I was impressed by, as well as the hairline. Can we get into this natural hairline? Y'all, this looks like my real hair. Another thing that I love about the wig is that you can wear it pulled up into like a high bun, because it is 360 in the back. So you can pull this unit all the way up. Look how flat it is when you pull it back. And so it just looks so natural. I was thinking, like, if you want to do something really sophisticated, you could just pull it to the side and twist it a little bit, and then tuck this part back and just twist it into a knot. And then of course I'm just gonna pin it, and I'm just gonna add one more pin. If you want something a little bit more classy and sophisticated, you can do a side curly bun. Y'all, this is so pretty, but I actually prefer for my hair to be down. Another thing that I want to add is that, guys, you can actually use the tape. So this is like an Invisi-Tape that you can use on your unit if you don't want to put any adhesive or anything on here, or any wig spray or glue. Instead of wig spray or glue, you can use these tabs. Ashimary also sent over so many gifts, girls. So they sent over this wig band, as well as these powder puffs, girl. I need these. In fact, let me use this right now. They also sent over a HD wig cap, lashes, a bonnet, a few hair accessories. Oh, they also sent over this gorgeous robe that you guys see me wearing throughout the sponsorship. All right, guys, I would like to thank Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. So guys, what I'm going to do is make sure that I link everything below. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure that you click the link. Also, if Ashimary is gracious enough to offer us an additional discount code, I'll ensure that I link that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
For as long as you're willing, girl, want you to know that I'm willing to. And where you want me to go, girl, I'll be willing to go there for you. If you want me to take my time, I'll be willing to spend the night. All you gotta say is please stay, baby. I'll be staying as long as you're saying more and more. Oh, let me cater to you, baby.